Shabai, here we are in Swansea for Wales Airshow. And no, I'm not going to spend the day lounging around on this fine deck chair. No, I'm going to find out which is Swansea's favourite. The Red Arrows over there in the right bucket, or the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Which will it be? Which is going to be Swansea's favourite? A very unscientific poll.
Okay.
Red Arrows, Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Which is it? Whoa! Oh, and why the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight?
Because it's our history and it's really important that we still remember it.
Agreed. They saved Britain 75 years ago. Red Arrows, grab your ball in. Put it in. And why do you think the Red Arrows?
I like the colours.
You liked it, did you? What did you like the most about it?
When they go up in the air and they do all different shapes.
When they do different shapes. Oh, fantastic, wasn't it? And are you enjoying the air show? Is this your first time at the air show? How many times have you been? Twice. You came yesterday, didn't you? Did you come yesterday? Ah, cool. So, big thumbs up? Yeah! Red Arrows or Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, which is it to be? Grab your ball, make your mind up. Hang on, look this way now. Which is it going to be? Oh, and why did you go for that?
Because if they were in a fight, lots of them would have died and to save this country.
Fantastic answer, and two right too.
Red Arrows.
And why is that?
I don't know, because they're like really entertaining.
Really, this awesome display this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which bit do you like the best? Is it when they are in formation or when they sort of split up and then sort of?
Yeah,
cross
I like
each
when they
other?
do like all the patterns.
Fantastic, isn't it? And they did the heart this morning, didn't they?
Yeah.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right then, go on, get your ball. Yep. What do you think of the air show?
It was really good and fun. I really liked it.
How big a thumbs up would you give it?
If you gave me a rating, I would do it 100 out of 10.
100 out of 10.
Yeah.
Big thumbs up and big. The results are in our Wales Airshow unscientific poll, and it's looking even, Stevens, but the Red Arrows are just edging out in front of Battle of Britain Memorial Flight.